This is Shipra again with my new DIY activity. And so Shipra, on behalf of Yellow Class, welcome you with a new DIY activity. But before I start my activity, you all very well know, let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. But what we are going to make today? So my little ones and my tinny winny, we have had 2020, which was really a tough year for everyone. And we are looking forward for a beautiful, more stronger, and more optimistic 2021. So we are going to make this beautiful decor where we are bidding bye-bye to 2020 and we are saying 2021 is coming with which is more optimistic and more stronger and more happier. So this we can make easily and you can use it as your room decor, or if you are holding a new year party, you can use as a decoration piece. You can even use it on a new year card. Let us just see what all things do we need for it. So we will be requiring 2 white color sheets. Okay. Pencil, scale. I am using a blue color Fevigrill, a black color Fevigrill, acrylic colors, and a white color. 2 brushes for the background. Then I'm using my brush pen kits. So I have this blue color brush, yellow color brush pen and a red color brush pen. You can even use your crayons, your plastic crayons, your oil pastels, your pencil colors, anything which is available with you. And a big thick marker, black color, and a thin marker or a thin black sketch pen. This is all what we need today. So let us just start our activity. First of all, what we are going to do, we are just going to take one sheet of ours and taking care that we are just dividing in a 3/4 and a 1/4 portion, we will be just drawing a line like this. So this is our 2020 which is going, and very bright and beautiful 2021 we are going to welcome soon. So I will draw a simple line like this. It's just a light line to show that once we are painting, this is going to be any black color or dull color, or this can be any bright color. So I'm taking a light blue over here. This one was a dark blue. I'm going to take a light blue here and a black here. So I am using my water. Little bit of water is needed because we are using acrylic colors. You can even use oil pastels. You can even use simple water paints also. And we will do, starting from here, we will be just doing the black color. Taking care that our black color is still this line only. So just go slow and you can easily do it. Just take care, you need a tissue paper. And same way, I will be taking my another brush and a light color and a blue color where we will be doing this portion also. This portion, kids. Okay. So I'm taking a white color. I'm just dipping my brush little bit to make it wet. And then I will take this blue color of mine. And this is a lighter shade I have made by using more of my white color. And we will be doing this portion. So you can see I have used a lighter shade where my sky looks bright and beautiful. So you can use this as you can divide. If you are making a card, you can divide your card into portions by just 3/4 and 1/4, and you can paint it like this. Again, just take care when you are going to this end, you just have to be very careful. You can use a thin brush also. Kids, if you feel that you might go in the black color. So this is the way we have painted. The black is 2020 and blue is 2021. We'll put it for drying, kids. It will take just little some time to dry. Till that time, we will be making our smileys. Okay, the emojis which we are going to make, the sad ones and the happy ones. So for that, what all things do we need? We'll just need a sheet where we are going to draw a circle. But before that, let me just quickly clean my workstation. So what we are going to do, we are just going to take this white color sheet and anything to make these small circles. For these emojis and all, for this circle and all, I'm taking this tape. We will be cutting it together, kids. How we are going to do it? Just fold your another white sheet like this. Do another folding like this. One more folding. This way you will be getting around 8 pieces easily of your smileys. Okay, so we will be drawing a circle. Using the tape. I will be drawing it with my dark color sketch pen also so that it's visible. Okay, and we will cut it. So with the help of the scissor, we will cut it. So once you are through with the cutting, we will be coloring them with yellow color where I will be using my brush pen. So go slow with whenever you are cutting a circle so that the shape is not spoiled. Okay. So this way we have seen that we have got around 8 pieces. Perfect. We will be using, I will be using my brush pens. You can use anything, any pencil colors, any crayons, any oil pastels, anything. And we will be just simply doing a yellow color on it. So this way we will be simply coloring it. So we have colored them with a yellow color brush pen. Now I have used my black color thin sketch pen and I have done the outline, which is quite simple. Just draw the outline like this on all your faces, okay? And we will be dividing it into 4 sets, kids. Basically 2 sets of 4, 4. So we will be needing 4 happy smileys and 4 the sad ones. Okay, so let me just show you. So you can just make 4 smileys happy and 4 sad ones, taking care that if you can see in 2020, I have used this mask, which was very essential. You all know, and we are still using it. Okay, so we are going to make this mask also. I'm going to tell you how. Before that, let me just make a sad smiley, sad emoji first. Okay. So you can take any shape or size of the face and the eyes. So this is the one we have made, the sad one. And let me just quickly made a happy one, which will be, we definitely know that 2021 is going to be a very beautiful and a very nice year. And I have used my red color to just simply give a dot here, those beautiful dimples. So this is any way you can just decorate your smileys. So you have to make 4 happy ones and 4 sad ones. So we have made 4 happy smiley, okay, and 2 sad ones, 3 sad ones, okay. One we have to make with a mask. So let me just tell you how we are going to make the mask. What we are going to use, we are going to use this leftover paper only. So we are going to cut it into strips, where these strips will be used to write 2020 and 2021 also. Okay, so just take the corner part and cut it. So I need total 3 strips. So by cutting this, I will be getting around 4-5 strips. So we will be using the best ones out of it. So this is one strip of mine. I will try to just make the size, even size. This is for the strips where we will be writing it's 2021 and 2020. Okay. Now when we have to make the mask, what we are going to do, we are just going to draw a thin line like this and then like this. So we are making a rectangle kind of a thing. Same way here also. And we will cut it. So we'll cut this outline portion only. So while cutting this, just be careful that you don't cut the thin strip also. Okay, so you can see, fine. Same way we are going to do this one. And we are going to remove this. So this way we have cut a thin mask, and now we are just going to make a sad face, just the eyes, and we'll stick this. Let me just show you how to stick it. We just simply have to apply glue at this end. So you can just do the alteration of the size of the mask according to the size of your circle. Okay, I will apply mask here, little down, and this portion we will just fold. Let it stick nicely. So this will go inside and it will stick. So this is our sad faces are ready for 2020, which was really very disheartening. Okay, now as we all know that we have already reached to a point where we have made the vaccines. So I'm just making a small injection, which I'm going to show you again. Just draw a straight line like this, a very small rectangle like this. And we will do the markations. Now very slowly kids, you have to cut it. So while cutting, just take care that you are doing a little rough cutting. We are not doing the exactly same cutting to give the shape of the vaccine. and our vaccine is ready. Okay, so this is the way we are going to do it. Now, by this time, our sheet is ready. We are just simply going to stick them. Let us see how. And we really need to make one simple cloud also, which I will just tell you before. Let me just tell you how to stick this. We will be putting the faces like this, the happy faces. And we'll stick our syringe somewhere here. We'll just simply stick them, kids. So apply glue. And same way we are going to place the sad ones also. Okay. So let me just quickly place the sad ones also. And we'll just apply glue and we'll stick them. Okay. So I'm doing that. So we have just placed the sad ones in the black portion and the smiling ones in the center portion, and we'll apply glue on each and every smiley and we'll place it at its own position. So this way we have stick them properly. Now with a black marker, I will be making the ribbons for these balloons, these smileys. Okay. And for this one, I am using my white color pencil, where they are just going down. They are unhappy and it was a sad 2020. So they are just going simply down. Okay. So you can see. Now on one sheet where you have already cut those thin sheets, just make it little even, and we will be writing 2020 and 2021. Okay, so with a dark black sketch pen, write 2021, and same way we are going to write 2020, where we will stick 2020 here and 2021 here. Now you notice I have made I am coming. So this is a cloud with the thought that 2021 is saying I am coming. We can simply make a cloud with the same leftover paper. Okay. Okay. I am going to draw it with a sketch pen again. And we will cut it. So we'll just simply do the cutting at the same curving points. We can make a cloud where we can say I am optimistic, or I am stronger, I am coming, something like this. So we are just simply writing I am optimistic. I've already written, which I can just stick it like this, where 2021 is saying that I am optimistic. Okay. Or you can write I am stronger. Whatever you want to write, you can just write that. Or even you can write welcome. So you can write I am stronger. I am using I am optimistic because I am definitely optimistic about 2021. Yes. So here our 2021 is coming and we are welcoming it because we know it is going to be a beautiful year for everyone. We will just simply stick these tags where we have written 2021 and 2020. And you can put this balloon. You can even write simple welcome 2021, whatever you want to do. write about 2021, you can write. I am calling it an optimistic year, so I will be writing, I am optimistic about 2021. So as I have told you, I have written, I am stronger also. And you can just pointing it towards 2021, you can place it here also, anywhere here also, like here I have placed it on the top, here I have placed it here. So this is whatever way you want to do your things, you can do it. You can even say, I am stronger if you want to add it like this. That's completely your wish, kids. And this is a beautiful decor, or if you want to make a card, whatever way you want to use this, this is your way of welcoming the new year, that is 2021. I hope you have liked this. This was quite easy. We are looking forward to your comments, to your paintings, to your suggestions. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Yes, Shipra is going to come back again very soon with more and more DIY activities. Till then, I, on behalf of Yellow Class, welcome you, wish you all a very, very happy and prosperous 2021. We all are optimistic that it's going to be a beautiful and a wonderful year for everyone. Take care, kids. Bye-bye.